Hello everyone, welcome back to TechNet. This is Sanit. In this video, you're going to know about how AI can be used in our daily life for automation, right? So you know AI, but you don't know how to use AI. Okay, in this video, I give you a very good solution to know how to use AI for automation. So in today's environment, most professionals are spending several hours every day on repetitive tasks like Excel reporting, designing, data analytics, and presentation and documentation too, right? And even basic coding too. Okay, for that, these tasks can be consume more time, energy, and productivity, as you know. But the truth is, all this can be automated in minutes using artificial intelligence. Nothing but AI. The challenge is that most people don't know how. Okay, for this, the main solution and the main background to know how to use AI, the BE10X A.I Workshop. Solve this problem. It is a practical, high impact, and 3-hour training only designed to teach working professionals the AI skills that normally take months to learn to master too. Over 1 lakh participants can have already completed this workshop. Many have reported salary increases between 40% to 80% and 100% too. Okay, the program is started by IIT graduates Aditya Goenka and Adincha Kachave. Okay, who specialize in simplifying technology for non-technical learners. So, what this workshop covers? Let me know. Right? The workshop covers a set of powerful skills that immediately applicable in your workplace. First thing, and the participant learn how to use ChatGPT and prompt engineering to get significantly better results in your searching, communication, problem solving, and ideation too. So they learn Excel automation without knowing their remembering their formulas for beheading. Okay, they can learn easily, and they learn to create professional grade presentation within minutes. Within minutes. I'm specifying within minutes. They practice data analysis, dashboard creations, and concept generation with AI. They even learn how to write and debug code using AI tools, regardless of whether they program background or not. So by the end of the workshop, the transformation is clear and very immensive and very insane. Yeah. Before the workshop, professional typists spend 3 to 4 hours preparing Excel reports. After the workshop, you can see the results, how the results are transformed from one after to before, right? So the same reports can be completed in 5 minutes, just 5 minutes using AI automation. So before the workshop, data analysis requires complex formulas to remember or manual effort. After the workshop, AI handles the more than 100 formulas instantly. Okay, the presentations that earlier took like 1 hour to 2 hours, maybe 6 hours, 7 hours too, for efficient presentation. But after the workshop, you can generate presentation decks of it consisting of slides like 12 to 16 or 12 to 20 within 5 minutes. I promise that you can generate the presentation within 5 minutes. And next, coding tasks that once required developer support can be not required now, because the AI tools, automation tools, they can help you to better the developer by debugging the codes. So the work hours reduced from 10 to 12 to 4 to 5. Overall productivity increases and the work power is reducing, right? The most importantly, professionals start becoming high value and AI enabled experts in their companies, right? Participants also receive AI tool expert certification from it is a lifetime access to workshop content and updates and entry into community of more than 10,000 professionals working. So these benefits combined with the practical skills learned and open to door ranging from 40 to 50 LPA. At the time when AI is reshaping the world or industry, waiting to adapt no longer an option. The workshop is enabled quickly, regardless of background, to upgrade skills instantly, affordably, effectively, instead of spending lakhs and lakhs on long courses. Just participant can begin with their AI transformation with an affordable price. Within an affordable price. Like I'm mentioning, the price is affordable, that you expect minimum 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. No. It's not 500, 600, 700. No. It's just for rupees 9. Rupees 9. Seats are limited. The BE10X AI Tools Workshop offers an opportunity to move ahead in your career, work smarter and more intelligent. becomes future ready. Register now and start your journey toward becoming a B10X certified tools expert. A tools expert. So personally, I attended this workshop and I thought and they give me a lot of knowledge in this workshop and that I applicable in my daily life. So regardlessly, I suggest you to join this workshop and make you more smarter than earlier.